Welcome back to another RTE video. In today's part 1 video, we're going to take the new Supernote Beta out for a test drive. To help us better see the updates, we'll be comparing the beta to the currently released version. To start off, I've created a note so we can go step by step and check out the new functionality and updates. The first new feature we'll look at is Wi-Fi file transfers. Previously, Supernote allowed LAN transfers, but it seems they want to make the process easier. Opening the top menu, you'll notice a new option for wireless transfers. Once Wi-Fi transfer is activated, a pop-up box appears. The URL provided can now be used in the internet browser of your choice to transfer files off and on to your Supernote. Moving over to the browser, once the URL is entered, you can see the folder structure of your Supernote. To test out the functionality, we'll upload a PDF. Since you can now use PDFs as templates, we'll upload the PDF into the My Style folder. To upload a file, click the Upload button. Select the file you want, and a progress box will appear in the bottom right. You can also download files by clicking on the file name. Back on the device, we'll navigate to the My Style folder and see the PDF. Because the Supernote is connected wirelessly, the files are moved almost instantly. Let's go back to the Note and add a new page. Going into the menu, from here we can change the current template. Select Customizations to access the templates you've added to the device. We will now select the PDF as our template. Now that PDFs are allowed, you can have multiple page PDFs by selecting specific pages, or by selecting all. Once applied, the multiple page PDF template will be added to the notebook. The example PDF is one I created to help illustrate how embedded links can now work within templates. Let's select some of the links to see how well we can navigate to the other pages. It seems that the embedded links work very well. You can easily navigate and move around the template. Another benefit of PDF templates is the ability to use them with handwriting conversion notes. To demonstrate, I'll write a short sentence. Here we can see that the handwriting conversion works with the PDF. There are multiple popular PDF templates that help you take meeting notes and journal. With this new ability, it opens up new possibilities and productivity benefits. Next, we'll look at how to add a folder to quick access. Navigating back to the Files screen, we'll long press on a folder. You can see from the top menu that new options have been added. There are two options, one to add a folder and one to remove a folder from quick access. Let's select to add the folder. Opening quick access will now show the folder. To remove it, just long press again on the folder and select Remove. Next, we'll look at the new laser pointer when screen mirroring. You'll have to hover the pen above the Supernote screen to activate the pointer. I'm not sure why it's being called a laser pointer instead of just a pointer, since it's a white dot. For a second there, I thought it would have been red. Well, that wraps up part 1 of the Supernote Beta review. Part 2 will be released later this weekend. Thank you for watching. Remember to click like and subscribe. This has been RTE. See you in the next video.